Hi everybody, it's Hannah Patterson, the Girls Camp Director, and today with me out in this beautiful woods is...
It's me, Chelsea.
We have been hanging out together as social distancing buddies from the very beginning of this crazy coronavirus stuff, and we are going outside today. We're in one of my very favorite state parks, one of my very favorite parts of the state park, and we're gonna go on a walk. Chelsea has never seen this part of the state park before, I think. Pretty sure.
Probably not.
Probably
I don't
not.
remember ever being here, so.
Yeah, she was like, where are we going? I was like, just wait. So anyways, we're going to be filming us walking through my very favorite part of this state park so that you can see it as Chelsea is also seeing it for the very first time. Double. You get to see the reaction and also how beautiful it is. Live reactions. And then we'll have a challenge for you at the end. So hang on, let's go for a walk. Right. Maybe how do we do this so that they can see you?
I don't know.
I'm just gonna have to like pan to Chelsea. Oh god, I just ran into a tree.
There's trees out here.
There's trees. Turns out we're in the woods. Yeah, look at how cool this is. So check it out. There's all of these really cool pines that have been planted together.
What a magical glen.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Is Glen the right word?
Yeah, I think so. This is better. You should be in front.
Google Glen.
Somebody tell us, is Glen the right word?
Glen. Glen, Glen, Glen. Glen, Glen, Glen. Wow.
I feel like we should be in this mode. Okay, that's probably better.
They're so big.
Look at how tall they are.
How many Hannahs on top of each other do you think these are?
Let's see. 1 Hannah, 2, 3, 4. I think this works like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Maybe 9 Hannahs.
9 Hannahs?
How many feet tall is that? Like 36? I think that's higher than 36 feet. That's like our ropes course is 36 feet.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
How tall do you think this is?
I'm really bad with numbers.
Somebody else who's good at math and watching this video, please give us a guesstimate. How many Hannahs tall are these trees?
It's one of those moments where if this was like a contest, I would panic and be like, 90! It's 90 Hannahs! Wow, this is so cool.
Yeah, so like look at all the moss on the ground here. This is beautiful.
Babies.
There's little baby trees. Oh my gosh.
It's a Christmas tree farm.
Quick, cut one down.
Reasonably sized Christmas trees. This is cool. This is cool. This is like a Lord of the Rings movie.
I know.
I've never seen a Lord of the Rings movie.
I discovered this just a week ago, I think.
Look at all the
2
little
weeks ago.
babies. Wow. Whoa!
Yeah, so this part's super cool too, where you're just like walking down a path.
Thought that was poop. It's just a circle of stump.
Circle of stump.
And a circle of stump. I don't know.
Like, isn't this so cool? You're just like in this tree lane.
Yeah, it kind of makes me just like want to do this.
We're going that way. But yeah, look, you can go so many different directions. Like, isn't this cool too? Look through here.
Yeah.
And then like this bit with all the moss on the ground. This is just the coolest.
Moss, you know?
Yeah. Moss.
Moss. Moss, moss.
The humor of Chelsea and Hannah. Repeat words.
Many moss. Mucho moss. Moss. smells like trees out here.
And the floor is like, the ground is just like springy and wonderful. You can hear the birds singing in the distance.
I bet you this is like silent in the winter, you know?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go snowshoeing out here. We didn't have enough snow this winter for me to do that. Also, again, I just found this like a week ago, but.
But still. Wait a minute. So fun, so cool.
More mossy areas. I feel like you could just lay down on it. It's probably wet. You probably don't want to do that.
This is a bed of wet moss. What's a bed of something wet?
A water bed.
Okay, that's cheating. Something that you would willingly like lay down on.
Okay. Something wet I would willingly lay down on.
I feel like there's a lot of like cheat answers.
Right.
A beach towel.
Yeah.
A waterbed.
Yeah, I mean, if it was like warm sponges, I would definitely do that.
Sponges. Or like a pool floaty.
Yeah, a pool floaty. Yeah, that feels like a cheat too. Okay, I feel like we need to like, yeah, is it like a food item?
I don't know.
I feel like I need more structure.
No, less structure.
No structure.
Unstructured playtime.
Ooh, this is new. This wasn't down the other day.
They're dropping down the forest.
Must have just fallen down.
Just kidding.
Nobody's dropping down the forest.
I love these little like.
I know. Ooh, this one's cool. It's got like a. When I was a kid, there was a big one of these in like the yard, and we would put stuff into it, and then we would take sticks and like stir it up, and we're like, it's soup.
Yeah, I was always a witch. And my stories. And I was making potions, casting spells.
We used to pretend that we were like Secret Service agents and like important peoples and whatnot.
Oh, yeah.
And the Secret Service agents and us, like something would go wrong, and we'd have to like da-da-da-da-da, off into the woods and like survive or whatever.
Oh. Cook up a mean meal.
Yeah, well, you know, you're in the woods, you gotta survive. So, okay, we are coming to the end of our tour here, and there are some people at the end, so we are gonna flip it around. Hello, it's us, Chelsea and Hannah again. So this is our walk. Here we are in our favorite state park on my favorite walk, and now it's your turn. We want you to send us pictures or videos or whatever it is of your favorite walk in the woods. See you later.